Namaskaram, Namaskaram everyone.
Guruji, there is all of us in our lives, 40, 50 years, have done something or the other wrong or taken steps that have turned out to be wrong. There's always a sense of guilt at times of what we had done in the past. Someone from Florida is just asking the fact that he moved to the US 2 decades ago. Suddenly he feels that he was selfish and he moved out of India. He cannot prove his loyalty, love for India. And most NRIs or non-resident Indians or non-resident countries, people always feel that towards their country, and they can't prove themselves, or they can't prove it to the world that their love for both the countries is equal and there's parity. How does one get rid of this guilt, specifically this or generally this?
See, right now right now, one thing that we have in India plenty is human beings, all right? We are nearly 1.35 billion people. For these 1.35 billion people, we don't have the economy, the size of economy that would properly serve these human beings. Right now, we are striving to build that. Economy we will build, we are confident about that. But we don't have enough land for 1.4 billion people to live well. We don't have enough water for 1.4 billion to live well. We don't even have a piece of sky for 1.4 billion people to live well. So, our thing is to produce very competent, focused, inspired and balanced human beings and export them to the rest of the world. If 500 million people if we export, the whole world is ours, what is the problem? Geographical boundaries should not be so restrictive, all right? Nation is just an idea. Nation is just an idea in our mind. We have love for things that we have gone through in our childhood and where we have seen and grown up. That is perfectly fine and that's wonderful, because a human being is as complex and as capable and as sophisticated simply because, as I said, vivid sense of memory we have. We must celebrate that memory, we must remember that memory. Well, those people who are feeling that way, many of them have come from small villages and now they're doing very well in United States or wherever else. Well, they can take up one village and take care of it. You tell me if you want to take care of any village in southern India, we will take care of it for you if you contribute. We will see all the children in that place are educated and many more people like you are produced. And I am not talking about brain drain, this drain. We have enough brains and enough bodies, we can send them around the world. This is another way of conquering the world out of our love and inclusion, not by conquest. So, they don't have to feel guilty, they just have to do well. And if they have the needed resource, they can take up something in India which will make a difference. Don't take up something else, some fanciful romantic stuff. The only thing that you need to take up is children, education and ecology, this is it. Because we have people and people, if we produce very focused, inspired and competent population, we will be a great miracle. If we fail to do that, this 1.4 billion people will be a great disaster. So we intend to make this into a great miracle, because that can only happen by investing in people. But now we are little concerned with this virus, because last 20 years, we have pulled out 240 million people out of the poverty, below poverty line. But now, if this lasts for 12 months or more, that 200 million plus people may go straight back below the poverty line once again. That is our concern. So the most important thing that needs to happen is nourishment, education and ecological concerns are there. If these three things you can contribute and attend to, please do that for India. But you don't have to feel guilty about your well-being. No, not at all.